Looking for an economical condo to escape the frigid winters or to make your permanent home? This two-house condo is squeaky clean and either move-in ready, or a blank slate to make it your own personal oasis. It's one of the least expensive condos in the community and maintenance fees include all of your utilities except electric. Second floor boasts high-volume ceilings, elevated views of lovely landscaping, a sense of security, and the front and rear lanai extend the living space and provide for really nice Florida breezes. There is a designated covered carport space and plenty of parking for your guests. An outdoor storage room is large enough for all your beach toys, a portable grill, or even your bicycle. The community offers many social activities and there are 2 pools to enjoy, one being for adults only and a sauna. Residents love being able to walk just across the street to Lakes Park where there are various amenities including a farmer's market on Wednesdays. Check out https://www.lakespark.org/. The building is a 2-story building, so is not subject to the Florida Milestone Study requirements. The location is prime, a short drive to Sanibel Island or to Fort Myers Beach. Close to everything but on a tree-lined quiet street.